In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks and projects in Bitrix24. Let's start by opening Bitrix24 in your browser. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, you can create one for free in a minute or two. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace. From the main navigation, click Tasks and Projects. This is your central hub for personal tasks, team tasks, and project workspaces. Think of tasks as individual to-dos and projects as the shared space that groups related tasks, people, and files. Next, click Create to start a new task. This opens the quick task form, which is perfect for getting ideas out of your head and into the system fast. Give your task a clear, action-oriented name. Keep it concise but specific, so anyone reading it understands what needs to be done at a glance. A consistent naming approach helps a lot when you're scanning lists later. Add a description to provide context. Outline the goal, any relevant background, and what a successful result looks like. If there are links to specs or reference materials, note them here. The clearer you are, the fewer follow-up questions you'll get. Choose the assignee, the person responsible for completing the work. If you're assigning it to yourself, select your profile. Otherwise, pick the teammate who will own the outcome. You can always involve others as collaborators in a moment. Set a deadline, pick a realistic date, and if needed, a time. Deadlines are key for workload planning and make it easier to prioritize across projects. Click Detailed Form to open all advanced options. This gives you everything you need to tailor the task to your workflow. Here you can include task status summaries for quick progress snapshots, upload files the assignee will need, and add checklists to break the work into smaller steps. Link the task to a project so it appears with its teammates and timelines. Add participants who will help with the work and observers who need visibility but aren't responsible. If you're using flows, assign the appropriate flow. Add tags to improve searchability and set reminders so nothing slips through. Connect relevant CRM items to keep deals and tasks aligned. Establish a parent task when this is part of a bigger effort. Add subtasks to structure complex work and note any related tasks. If you plan visually, you'll see it on the Gantt chart. Configure time planning and enable time tracking if you monitor effort and fill in any custom fields your organization uses. When everything looks good, click Create. Your task is now live, visible in tasks and projects, and the assignee will be notified. That's it. Simple, structured, and ready to move your work forward.